Hola amigos! Hello friends! Welcome to our Spanish time! Today, we are going to learn the days of the week in Spanish. Are you ready? ¿Están listos? ¡Vamos! Let's go! In English, each day of the week has its own name. The same happens in Spanish. Each day of the week has its own unique name. Let's say them together, slowly, and let's have some fun. First, we have Monday. In Spanish, Monday is Lunes. Say it with me. Lunes. Next, we have Tuesday. Tuesday in Spanish is Martes. Say it with me. Martes. Great job. Next, we have Wednesday. Wednesday in Spanish is Miércoles. That's a long word. Let's try it together. Miércoles. Awesome. Thursday in Spanish is Jueves. Say it with me. Jueves. Muy bien. Friday in Spanish is Viernes. Say it with me. Viernes. Yay! Saturday is Sábado. Sábado. Sunday is Domingo. Excelente! Now let's say all of the days of the week together. Lunes, Martes, Miércoles, Jueves, Viernes, Sábado, Domingo.